Season 1 is an introduction to JavaScript. We start with some interesting facts about JavaScript and some cool historical events. Programming languages tend to have some amazing history behind them, but we developers, we always skip that. Then we continue with some basics of JavaScript, like functions, variables, and loops. At the end of the season, we will take a look at ES6, ES7, and ES8. We will not go that deep into ES, we will keep that for Season 2. This course is for absolute beginners that never touched JavaScript before, but even if you are an experienced JavaScript developer, you might find this course helpful. You probably have missed something or you forgot something. This course will help you. In order to take this course, you should have some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Other than that, this course is for absolute beginners that want to start with programming and JavaScript. By the end of Season 1, you will feel confident enough to create small JavaScript applications from scratch. The main purpose of Season 1 is to prepare you for Season 2 and the upcoming seasons. Season 1 is very easy, but definitely important in order to build your arsenal for the upcoming seasons. If you are new in programming and JavaScript is your first programming language, then you can ask for help on devlob.com/forum.